What are you doing, Addie? Cookie. Are you eating cookies? Huh? Are you eating? Did Mom make those? Cookie. Are they tasty? Do they taste good? They taste good? Oh, McToodle, not an Elmo. We're making cookies. We still have to put them in the oven. Yeah. Do you like making cookies? In the oven. Do you like making cookies? Yeah. Do you like tasting cookies? Do you like licking them? Me too. I love you. Love you. Goga's on the floor. Licking up all the leftovers. Love you, Addie.